Fayoumi chicken is a very hardy and active breed of domestic chicken. It was originated from Egypt. Raising Fayoumi chickens can play a huge role in alleviating poverty in our country. Fayoumi chickens are reared by farmers of commercial egg production. Fayoumi chicken is much more resistant to disease like domestic chicken, and the demand and price in the market is always high. Fayoumi hens start egg production from the age of 6 months. Their average annual egg production is 150 to 280. Fayoumi chicken farming is a lucrative business with proper planning and care. Starting Fayoumi chicken farming business is very easy and simple. These birds are very strong and hardy, and they generally require less caring and other management.